Yo, Wiggins hair has done it again. So if you guys would like to see how I installed this beautiful unit, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on. Oh yeah, let's just get into the video.
Alright guys, so this is the hair before I unpackage her. I do have their loose deep wave. This is 180% in density, and the inches on this unit is about 26 inches. This is the current construction of the unit. As you guys see, there is 3 combs in total, including drawstrings and a section for the elastic band. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig so you guys can see what it's looking like up close for the first time. This is straight out the package. This is not washed, conditioned, or anything. This is how you will receive your unit. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and begin detangling the hair. I would advise you start from the bottom and work your way up. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my Morphe contour shade and I'm going to apply this to the front of my lace. The tint spray can get a little messy towards the front, and I notice it does transfer to the hair. So I just like doing this way because I feel like it's just cleaner and it's just easier. Now I'm taking the famous Got to Be Glued, I was about to say setting spray, hair spray, and I'm going to use this to secure down the entire unit. I'm taking my blow dryer and I'm, using this on a cool heating setting, and I'm going to wait till it's tacky, and then I'm going to place the lace down, taking the end of my comb, press it into my forehead, and then I'm going to repeat until the entire lace is secured down. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a part around the edge of the lace front, and I'm going to use this as a guideline to create my baby hairs. Now you want to take your scissors and cut at an angle to create your baby hairs. I feel like this is just an easier way to create your swoops. I'm also using my bedhead wax stick, and I place it on the baby hairs as well. And we're going to comb that back with our comb first, and then I'm going with my hot comb to lay everything down. This will show us what we need to do to create a more natural hairline. As you guys are going to see here in a few minutes, I do have my tweezers with me, and I'm going to go in just to pluck the hairline just a little bit more to extend it. Alright guys, so now you can see the hairline once I tweezed it. It's a lot more thinner. That's how I like it. So I'm just going to use a hot comb once more just to go in to make sure everything's laid and looking as nice as I would like it. And then I'm going to go ahead and straighten up my part. Y'all, I'll be taking like forever just to do a middle part. But then I'm going to add some concealer, so y'all know we need that part to pop, look very, very realistic. So I'm just going to go in with concealer to, you know, make it stand out a little bit more. And then we're going to start creating our baby hairs. Now, I tried to do different baby hairs, thicker ones. I don't know. I just wanted to try something new. So, like I said, it's the first time doing like huge ones. So I feel like they're huge, but first time for everything. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up just to let it sit a little bit. I do add heat off camera. Don't show that part. Y'all should have seen me. Do y'all clean up the bathroom floor when y'all at a hotel? Because I literally was in there cleaning up the floor. I don't like leaving hair on the floor. It's just weird. But here I'm just taking some water and wetting my paddle brush and just brushing it through the hair. I have no products with me whatsoever, so we are going to see how this hair holds up with just water. So if you see me laying forward, I'm going to the faucet, wetting the brush, and, you know, just running it through the hair.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video and this is the hair. Like, I'm trying not to scream right now. I'm really trying not to scream because, well y'all, this hair is so bomb, like so bomb. I don't have any products here with me. The only thing I have is water and a brush, and that's literally what I did. I just wet my paddle brush and okay. Now I tried something new with the baby hairs because honestly I do small baby hairs, but I just wanted to try like to cover up my head a little bit, so I tried to do bigger baby hairs just to see what I would look like. And I really don't know what I look like really until I run the clip back, because it's like you can look one way in the mirror, but when you record yourself and play it back, you really see what you look like. Sorry for touching your hair so much, it's just like, but yeah, so I tried a different technique with the baby hairs and things like that. I really didn't have anything negative. It was nothing. Sis, I don't have any cons about this hair. This hair, I think it's 26 inches. I believe it's 26 inches, and it did not even give me a tangle, not one. Now I did cut into the lace, so I did experience shedding doing that, but after I fully detangled the hair, I did not get any more shedding, and that is just includes me doing my, you know, half a curly hair routine, because I just wet my brush and, you know, did like this. So I didn't get any more shedding. This is freshly out the box from freshly. When I say freshly, freshly out the box. So no wash, no conditioner. This is just what your unit is gonna look like. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm just super impressed. Okay, Wiggins hair did it again, and then it was like I already put Wiggins on a high pedestal because of their lash unit. So I wanted to see if they can maintain and keep that, you know, momentum going, and they did that. They did the dang thing on this unit. So it's an A+ in my book, no cons. Like I said, this is my first time wearing the unit, so I'm not saying it's not gonna tangle or it's not gonna shed. It's just for me and how far I've been wearing it, I have not experienced those things. So just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.